think it's an exciting future for social enterprise in Blackpool. A lot of work's already gone on. The work that's been set up with various social enterprises in Blackpool, I think we build on those foundations and move forwards now to work closer to develop even more exciting innovative schemes. We have, over the last 12 months, worked very closely with social enterprise companies to look at what we can do. We've worked very closely with a team to actually say these are the challenges in health facing us in Blackpool, and what I want to do today is almost give you some of that information and actually say to you, what can you do to help us all address some of the health problems in Blackpool. There's various groups across the community that we work with. Age Concern, we do a lot of work with them, and they're looking at actually getting more work with the older people. If we've got a social enterprise company who's working with young people, they can start to work with the young people, encourage them to stop smoking, give them health advice on drugs and things like that. There are a massive range of things that we can do to deliver primary and community care along with social enterprises. It doesn't have to be delivered by health professionals solely. A lot of other people can work with us to actually address that and make a difference. I think it's exciting. I think it's a positive future. I think that's the way forwards to help and support us address some of the health issues that are facing us here in Blackpool.
There's a range of things that people coming in and out of hospital benefit from other organisations, smaller groups and so on. And I think we as a big organisation have a responsibility to work with those organisations to make the transition for patients much better. Government policy over the last few years has been all about trying to empower local communities to do more. We need to play our part in that and grasp that opportunity. The Foundation Trust movement in itself was about organisations being more responsive to local needs. We're trying to deliver that at a corporate level. But at a lower level, we need to grasp the opportunities that social enterprise offers. In smaller organisations, people feel a lot more ownership about what they're doing. They feel more confident about making decisions themselves, quick decisions that enable services to be improved. I think one of the issues with a big organisation is sometimes that can be bureaucratic. There can be a lot of red tape for people. So I think small organisations have a really vital role to play in responding quickly to the needs of patients and carers, and I think we should support them to do that. I've got to say a great deal of thanks as well to colleagues at Blackpool Enterprise, because they've really helped us with this. We didn't have the kind of knowledge that we needed, and they've really helped us and been supportive. I think if we can get more and more social enterprises sprouting up in the area, it will become a very dynamic thing, and I think we will see the results in better services for the people that we serve. If staff feel that the job that they're doing carries real meaning, that they're delivering added value to people's lives, they will be enthused. And that enthusiasm will take them on to a different level. Blackpool Enterprise itself is a social enterprise group that we've been working with, and I think that we've learned a lot from them. The Primary Care Trust probably has more direct exposure with some of the other groups, but you can see from things like the Age Concern services and so on. One of the things that they talked about was how they're helping to get patients out of hospital earlier, prevent patients having to be admitted by supporting them in their own homes. That's a huge benefit for us, because with the pressures that we've got of ever-increasing demand on hospitals, the fact that Age Concern have been able to reduce that demand for us by providing services, I think is a massive benefit. This is part of taking Blackpool to a different level and changing the perception that people have of Blackpool. I think it's a very bright future. I think an event like this one that we've been to today, I think is all about capturing some of that enthusiasm and getting people to feel more confident.